Welcome to our comparison of two fantastic Zojirushi rice cookers. Today we will delve into the features, capacities, and prices of the Zojirushi 3-cup rice cooker and the Zojirushi nitrogen monosulfide TSC 105-1 half-cup Mikum rice cooker. Whether you're cooking for one or feeding a family, we've got you covered. Let's get started. When it comes to capacity, the Zojirushi 3-cup rice cooker is perfect for individuals or couples, offering a compact size that is easy to store. However, if you often cook for a larger family or enjoy entertaining, the Zojirushi nitrogen monosulfide TSC10 provides a more generous 5.5-cup capacity, making it a versatile choice for various occasions. The Zojirushi 3-cup rice cooker is straightforward and easy to use, featuring a single switch control and a see-through glass lid. In contrast, the nitrogen monosulfide TSC10 boasts advanced Mikum fuzzy logic technology, allowing for precise cooking and multiple functions, including steaming and a delay timer. This makes it a more sophisticated option for those who want more control over their cooking. Price is another significant factor to consider. The Zojirushi 3-cup rice cooker is very affordable at just $59, making it a great entry-level option. On the other hand, the nitrogen monosulfide TSC10 is priced at $232, reflecting its larger capacity and advanced features. Depending on your budget and cooking needs, one may be more appealing than the other. In conclusion, both Zojirushi rice cookers have their strengths. The 3-cup model is ideal for those with simpler needs, while the nitrogen monosulfide TSC10 offers advanced features for serious cooks. Consider your cooking habits and choose the one that fits your lifestyle best. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.